guys, welcome back to Chocolate Chip. And today I am doing this video where I have a bunch of clays and I'm going to be making little sweet treats. So yeah, let's get into it. There's a story that I was told, and I want to tell the world before I get too old. And don't remember it, so let's dissemble it and reassemble it. Okay, so we got the patty, we got the 2 buns, and now it's time for the lettuce. A little girl made a great big wish to fill the world full of happiness and be on Santa's magic list. Shake up the happiness, wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness, wake up the happiness. Come on. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure to comment below. I want to see more of these, or I want to see more Roblox videos, or I want to see more of this video, or whatever.